Prep the drain by removing tape. And thoroughly cleaning the flange with Hercules for hands, acetone, or goof-off, remove all residue. When installing transition tape, overlap flange by 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch onto stainless steel and 1½ inches over the fabric at the ends. Begin by applying liquid waterproofing on vertical installation panels and shower floor, overlapping the foam insert. Next, apply liquid waterproofing to the inside and outside corners. Then place included non-woven inside corners into the waterproofing while it is still wet. Place reinforcement fabric into the liquid waterproofing. Reinforcement fabric is to be used at all vertical and horizontal transitions, and all seams in PET quick slope panels. Then, apply liquid waterproofing to the wall and floor transitions and over the seam of the rear wall. Finally, apply a coat of liquid waterproofing over the entire shower pan and vertical installation panel, and let it cure.